Nani mate kiambiriria kia o mundu guku thino nikiri na muthia amugutire ugiretikirie munene wa Mbiraru cia bururi no akwe na Athikirwo ari wathanini guku kieha ciuria maithori na kigiriko igithamka Mucie Gwake gia kaunti ya Siaya guku njata ino ya bururi igithikwo na njira ya Kijeshio hari guteithia General Ogolla.
Personally, none of you know that information, but I know he had a very, very good working relationship with His Excellency. Na hata niliona Excellency jana umeshika macho kidogo, watu wakasema hii ni machozi ya crocodile, these are fake. In my heart, from what I know it was genuine.
Nahari Bamiri ya muthia ya murio wa Ogolla Joel Rabuku nekitieretana kuri andiki anenda cia ukinyaniria agithingiriria makorona uigiriki makiria riria maratabia ngano cia gikuo kia ithe nenda-ini cia ciothe cia ukinyaniria akionania kwaga kuiganira ni uria amwe maraheana mihuhu ya gikuo kia General na kuga mutongoria wa bururi Daktari William Ruto ndari na thina wa kwamura ithe.
You know, Your Excellency, even up to yesterday people were still speculating, oh, President appointed him because of this, oh, President I want to clear the air with the conversations I had with my father about his time with the President. He didn't really divulge any national security issues, but generally I feel it's important to first of all clear the air. The President didn't have to appoint him first of all, and initially he saw his competencies and decided that this is the man for the job. But very quickly, they started becoming friends and they formed a serious chemistry, which he would tell me, I have had a very good meeting with the boss. Now tell me what it is. And it's not the president alone, the deputy president as well. Really enjoyed his company. They formed a serious working security relationship of securing the country, and his cabinet secretary. These people became like brothers.
Hare mwiretu wake Lona Ogolla ni ataririe na wendo muturire wa ithe akimweta ta njamba ya bururi mundu weitikitie na gitugi kia Mucie oro hamwe na bururi.
Pewa EGH for breaking the news that the general is dead. Let us be sensitive. Tafadhali bloggers, what ya media, mwambie wa bloggers wache mchezo and mention them by name. Lakini hiyo tabia bana.
Naguo mwana wa Mbiraru ni marutire itio ciao cia muthia kuri munene wao hari igogona riria rigutura ririkanitwo bururi-ini guothe na njira ya gwathiriria thafari ya muthia ya General Ogolla na munene wa Mbiraru wa mbere gukua ari wathanini. Nahari thafari ya muthia ya munene wa Mbiraru hari gitio giake kia muthia General Ogolla ni ahurirwo tharuti ya mishiga 19 thutha ucio mwiri wake wa ikurukio tiri-ini igogona riria riuma ria mwanya amu riruthagirwo guteithia atongoria a ngathi cia iguru cia bururi ni mate General Ogolla arari njamba ya bururi na ni aratekete ni bururi. Huruka thayo General Omondi Ogolla. Girifotera Muthingi TV geto wa erimu Kibani.